Mfethu ngiphethe out yasenhlazatshe this time uNtando Nkosi. Nithini yini 1192 ne?
Yeah, 1192.
Usuka ya mina bengingayazi ngibona lapha ku TikTok kuma socials bayasho bathi hayi wakithi lo. Mfana it's a proud moment namhlanje nithathe lenkomishi lena ngamalengiso. Yazi nje makuthi umuntu uphase ngamalengiso yilokho enikwenzile. But ake sikhulume ngale season ibinjani?
I think it's been a good season for Thina Sonke, like from the first, like from pre-season. I think like the team like has been dedicated, like and committed, like it's fun like win the league, like.
But yini lenisebenzele kangaka Nkosi?
I think technical team is like it was like top, like so inside, so even like including my players, like everyone was like focusing like kutsenza umsebenzi wakhe, my coaches, my players.
Le win ishukuthini kini?
Cool like let's league to a team in like a team in final case achieve like it needs a trophy like because I think it's a big institution like South Africa, so it deserves a trophies.
Unesikhathi esingakanani kumakhosi futhi?
It's 7 years.
7 years.
Yeah, 7 years.
And ucabanga ukuthi hayi cishe usukwenze konke masokwazi ukuthola inkomishi.
Ngineyonke. Mama engine, shield, league zonke.
Ntwana wini engine.
Yeah.
Wawini disc shield ngiyakhumbula and Stellenbosch kahle kahle yisa senisokulisayo kule league.
Yeah,
ngoba niye nase final ku disc shield.
Yeah, I think very Stellenbosch like yisa singathi like
I think the captain this step in. Hey, we won the trophy. We are the champions. This man has been the captain.
Coach ubuya kude nalento mina ngize ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi uboneni kule ndoda because
Talent nje kuphela. Uyayibona italent ngithi.
Usho kanje?
Uphethe talent.
And then coach wena ngifuna ukwazi ukwenza kanjani national team ngara uphinde ubuye ukwenze ngapha and this time coach bengibuka ama stats kuvela ukuthi nishaywe yiSuper Sport ngale ya 1 nabuya nayishaya futhi.
Yeah.
Naphazamiswa yiStellenbosch ngama draw ayi2.
Yeah.
Nashaya iSundowns. So kusho ukuthi kahle kahle 2 defeats.
Yeah.
From Epitori. Coach, sum up the season for us.
This was a great season. It was a good season and we had targets. And this young man, I found him when he was 14 years old.
Coach Vela uthi lo mfana umthole na 14 years old.
Siyo eMalawi, I can't remember which year was the young man. And sakhumbula basila le Malawi. Then we came back. We won COSAFA. Bekalapho under 17.
Bekalapho.
Bekalapho besilala eTebeka. Yeah, PE. Then we won COSAFA, then COVID happened. But I kept him in the team.
Coach, uwine naye lo muntu ubuya ku engine ubuya ku disc shield uqeda ukuthatha enye cup.
Yeah.
I think coach sokuyisikhathi sokuthi hayi noma ngandiza manje kulungile.
Let's go and explore other levels. Let him go up there, adlale somewhere, if not here. And it's up to him. The talent is there, and he knows. I love him to be very disciplined. I think one thing that will keep him going is he's very disciplined.
Hayi mfana siyabonga ngicela ukuthi uphume ngisale no coach. Siyabonga. But coach, apart from being a coach, you become a father because abanye babuya from some families